The iPhone 16 Pro is here, and with it comes new innovations from Apple. But is it truly worth upgrading to? With a sleek titanium frame, A18 Bionic chip, and the most advanced camera system yet, the hype is real. Let's dive in and see if the iPhone 16 Pro Max lives up to expectations. First impressions. Apple's unboxing experience is always premium, and the iPhone 16 Pro is no exception. Inside the minimalistic packaging, you'll find the phone itself, a USB-C to USB-C cable, yes, they finally ditched Lightning, and the usual documentation. Sadly, still no charger in the box. This phone feels ultra premium. The new titanium frame is lighter than the previous stainless steel models, but it still feels solid in hand. Plus, you get 4 stunning color options this year: black, desert, natural, and white. Design and build. Apple has pushed the boundaries again with the iPhone 16 Pro's design. The display is practically edge-to-edge with even slimmer bezels, and the ceramic shield provides extra durability. This is easily the most refined iPhone yet. Display. For this review, we're taking a look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max model. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display is breathtaking, with 2778 by 1284 resolution and ProMotion technology. Everything from video streaming to gaming looks buttery smooth. It's a visual powerhouse for anyone who loves media consumption. Performance. Powered by the A18 Bionic chip, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is blazing fast. From opening apps to switching between tasks, everything feels instantaneous. And with 256 gigs, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage options, you've got plenty of space for everything. Camera. The iPhone 16 Pro is a powerhouse for mobile photography and video. Its 48-megapixel Fusion main sensor delivers incredible detail. Even in low light, the 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens adds stunning clarity to wide-angle shots, while the 12-megapixel 2x and 5x optical zoom lenses bring versatility to your shots. The new side button on the iPhone 16 Pro is a great addition for quick camera access. It lets you instantly jump into different modes like portrait or video with a press, making it easier to capture moments on the go. Whether you're capturing in ProRAW, shooting 4K Dolby Vision at 120 FPS, or using cinematic mode, the camera system is incredibly well-rounded for any creative task. It's not just a phone, it's a mobile studio. Battery life. The iPhone 16 houses a 4,500 mAh battery, which sounds modest, but thanks to the power efficiency of the A18 Bionic chip, you can easily get through a full day of heavy use. From hours of streaming to gaming and everything in between, this phone keeps up. Conclusion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max stands out with its optimized software, incredible camera system, and refined design. However, the price tag might make some consider their options. If you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem, though, it's hard to find a better option.